if 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta is purely real, then find theta. Here condition given that the given expression is purely real. We have to find out the value of theta. So first write the given expression. What is 3 plus 2i 1 minus 2i sin theta. If it is purely real, and to get the value of theta, we should express this first in terms of a plus ib. To express this in terms of a plus ib, rationalize the denominator by multiplying the numerator and denominator by its conjugate of denominator. It is known that the conjugate of a plus ib, that is the complex conjugate of a plus ib is a minus ib. That is what is done, replace I by minus y. So for this case we will do this way, 3 plus 2i sin theta multiply numerator denominator by the complex conjugate of denominator. Whenever I replace by minus I, this will be 1, I replace by minus y plus 2i sin theta. So now denominator will be reduced, 1 minus 2i sin theta into 1 plus 2i sin theta. Now multiply numerators and denominators. That is 3 plus 2i sin theta. Multiply this factor by this factor into 1 plus 3 plus 2i sin theta into 2i sin theta. In the case of denominator, use this formula which is in algebra, a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So by this formula using, what we will write, 1 square minus 2i sin theta, that of square. Now simplify again. Whenever this will be multiplied by 1, this will be 3 plus 2i sin theta. This will be 6i sin theta, 6i sin theta, and this will be 2 to 4i square plus 4i square sin theta sin square theta. Denominator will be 1 square 1 minus 4i square sin square theta. See here, what is meaning of I? I is equal to root over minus 1. So I square will be what? Minus 1. So replace I square by minus 1. So this will be 3 2i sin theta plus 6i sin theta, that is equal to 8 sin theta, 8i sin theta. This will be what? I square minus 1, that means minus 4 sin square theta. What will be denominator? 1 I square minus 1, replace I square by minus 1 plus 4 minus and minus plus 4 sine square theta. Now reduce this or write this in terms of a plus ib form. So this is real part, this is real part. 3 minus 4 sine square theta by 1 plus 4 sine square theta plus 8 I sine theta by 1 plus 4 sine square theta. See, this is a given expression or given expression reduced to a plus ib form, where a is equal to this, b is equal to I 8 sine theta by 1 plus 4 sine square theta. Let z is equal to 3 minus 4 sine square theta by 1 plus 4 sine square theta plus 8 sine theta sine square theta into I. Now this is a plus ib form. As z is imaginary, as z as per condition is purely real, as z is purely real, so imaginary z part is equal to 0. What is here imaginary? This is imaginary part, or 8 sine theta 1 plus 4 sine square theta, that is equal to 0. Right hand side 0, left hand side 8 1 factor sine theta another factor, and 1 by 1 plus 4 sine square theta another factor. So to solve this, 8 not is equal to 0, as it is number. 1 by 1 plus 4 sine square theta not is equal to 0, that is 1 denominator 1 plus something sine square theta lying between 0 and 1. So it is also can never be 0. Therefore sine theta may be 0 or sine theta is equal to 0. 0 is equal to, we can express this, sine theta is equal to sine n pi, where n is equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and so on. Or from this last equation, theta is equal to n pi, where n is equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and so on. Therefore, the required value of theta is equal to n pi whenever the given expression is purely real. So, therefore, if given expression is what? 3 plus 2i sine theta by 1 minus 2i sine theta is purely real, then theta is equal to n pi, where n is equal to 0, plus minus 1, and so on. Hence the answer. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel for getting the notification of uploaded videos. Again, thank you very much.